Now, a lot of people see this and they freak out and they feel, here's the thing. It's okay. You can work it out no matter which way you get your 1099. Here's the difference. If you get a 1099 issued and the person has an accountable plan and the reimbursement is not stated on the 1099 as income to you, that's great. You report that 1099 income as income, but also you don't get to report the expense as an expense on your Schedule C. Why? Because you didn't actually incur the expense if you were reimbursed for it. Okay. So in other words, that 1099 you got under an accountable plan is already doing that math for you. They're already zeroing it out. Okay. So you do not get to double count an expense that you were reimbursed for. All right. On the flip side, if someone issues you a 1099 and their reimbursement to you is lumped in with the payment, and that's fine, that person can't get around the law, right? So they have to do it that way. Well, in that case, you were not reimbursed for that expense on the 1099. And what you do to zero it out on your tax return so you don't end up paying taxes on that reimbursement is you simply list the expense, right? So you do, in that case, list the expense you incurred on your Schedule C. Okay. That way, the over reporting of income you're getting on that 1099 will be canceled out because you report the corresponding expense you incurred on your Schedule C. Do you see? So the check and balance here is if you get the income reported to you, the reimbursement reported to you as income, you do nothing. You just report it and you don't get to take the expense. If they report that reimbursement as income to you, you do get to take the expense and you do want to list it. All right. There's the difference. Okay.